Temu Affiliate Program, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can join and use the Temu Affiliate Program step by step. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Temu Affiliate official webpage on your browser. Over here, sign up for the affiliate program using your email or existing account. Then, complete the registration by filling in your basic details. After that, wait for approval, which usually doesn't take long. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Products or Offers section. Over here, you can browse different products that you want to promote. Then, select a product and generate your unique affiliate link. After that, copy the link and start sharing it on your platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. Now, whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Over here, you can also track your clicks, orders, and earnings directly from the dashboard. Then, keep testing different products and content to see what works best for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.